October is Tyre Safety Month. Now I know firsthand the impact that tyres can have on a racetrack, but I've been invited down to one of Esso's forecourts to find out how checking your tyres regularly can improve fuel efficiency. Hi Sully, so you're a service technician. Thank you so much for helping us understand this topic better today.
My pleasure, thank you for having me.
Now, driving on underinflated tyres is unsafe. It also raises your fuel consumption, but it also increases your tyre wear. But just how much are we talking?
UK motorists at the moment are wasting between 600 million and £1 billion a year on unwanted fuel bills due to underinflated tyres.
Wow, that's a lot.
So in the same way that you manage your tyre degradation on track, motorists should remember to check their tyre pressures once a month, every month.
And how many people are actually doing that?
Currently, only less than 15% of people are checking their tyre pressures regularly, and most people wait till the tyre pressure light comes on their dash.
Wow, so over half of roadgoers are driving on underinflated tyres. Why do you think that is? Do you think they're just not confident enough to use a tyre pump?
Absolutely.
Wow, those are really interesting numbers and we want to help with that. So how can people get involved with Esso and Kwik Fit during Tyre Safety Month to get their confidence back?
We're here at Eisenhurst today, one of our 70 Esso sites, where we're checking customers' tyre pressures for free and helping them get on the road safely.
Okay, fantastic. Well, on that note, should we go check my tyres?
Let's go.
Wow, so it's as simple as that?
Yep,
now,
absolutely.
Is that the right tyre pressure?
At the moment it's not, so it does need a bit of a top up.
Okay, well let's top it up then.
Have a look. So, pop over to the pump. Make sure the tyre pressure is correct.
Right.
It says on the vehicle.
Right.
Make sure it's right. Grab the pump and walk over to the car.
Perfect.
And as simple as that.
Fantastic. That's all it takes.
Absolutely.
Okay, so should people just head over to the Esso website to find out their nearest participating forecourt?
Yep, we're also offering bonus nectar points and a free tyre pressure gauge so people can check their tyre pressures before they go on their journey.
Right, it's that simple. So head over to esso.co.uk to find your nearest participating site so you can visit them between the 17th to the 28th of October. Stay safe.